Why minimalist packing matters.
Minimalist packing isn't just a trend, it's a game changer for travelers. Packing light means less stress, more freedom, and no extra luggage fees. With fewer items, you can move easily, keep better track of your belongings, and focus on enjoying your trip rather than managing your suitcase. Let's explore how to pack smart and travel light.
Choosing the right bag.
Start by selecting a small, versatile bag. A carry-on suitcase or a sturdy backpack encourages you to pack only what you need. Look for one with multiple compartments to help organize your essentials. Carry-on size bags streamline airport experiences and save you time at your destination.
Smart clothing strategies.
Pack clothing with versatility in mind. Choose neutral colors and items that can be mixed and matched. Materials that dry quickly and resist wrinkles are your best friends. Limit yourself to a few tops and bottoms, and layer instead of overpacking. One pair of comfortable shoes plus a lightweight jacket covers most situations.
Essentials, not extras.
Focus on true essentials. Travel-size toiletries, a small first aid kit, chargers, and travel documents are must-haves. Leave behind bulky extras like full-size bottles or unnecessary gadgets. Remember, most destinations offer laundry or have stores in case you forget something important.
Tips for staying minimal.
Make a packing list and stick to it. Lay out everything ahead of time. Then challenge yourself to remove anything you won't use more than once. Regularly review your packing habits to see what you could do without next time. Minimalist packing is a skill. Embrace it and enjoy the ease it brings to your travels.